Introducing the Ultrasonic Spa Scrubber 24K, a game changer in skincare technology. Experience the power of deep cleaning and skin rejuvenating right at your fingertips. The scrubber helps active ingredients penetrate the dermis, where collagen and elastin are produced, promoting skin elasticity. It balances pH level, ideal for oily skin, and feature blue light for antibacterial benefits and skin balance, with advanced ultrasonic wave and microcurrent pulse technology. Say goodbye to clogged pores and hello to firmer, more radiant skin. The Ultrasonic Spa Scrubber 24K utilizes positive ion technology to deeply cleanse the skin and negative ion nutrition to nourish and rejuvenate. From removing stubborn makeup residues to improving skin texture and elasticity, this device does it all. Transform your skincare routine with the Ultrasonic Spa Scrubber 24K. Your ticket to flawless skin is just a click away. Ultrasonic Spa Scrubber 24K. Step up your skincare game today.